This chart could send shockwaves through the entire crypto space. We're in a deep, dark, brutal bear market, but this chart is going to shock the world. I've never seen anybody discuss it, and I'm going to give you everything you need to know so that you can be prepared right now in this video. Hit that subscribe button. My name is Steve. I want to ask you a critical question. Do you wish you can multiply your portfolio? Attention to all of my students and everyone who wants to multiply their portfolio. Today, I'm launching a brand new 5-day masterclass. This masterclass is going to help you do 3 things. Number 1, it's going to help you dominate this bear market right now and every bear market in the future. Number 2, it's going to help you dominate this next bull run with exactly my step-by-step plan laid out. And number 3, it's going to help you multiply your portfolio. If you're already a student, this is exactly what you need right now. It's completely different than the courses, but ties in beautifully. I made it for you. This is a game changer. If you're not a student yet, this is your golden ticket. This is the most affordable course I've ever launched by far. This is your moment to change your life if you're not yet a student. I have been where you are, and I know how to take you to where I am. One-time payment gets immediate access and lifetime access. Take this masterclass whenever you want at your own speed. Send me an email with any questions you have 24/7. Imagine how it's going to feel to multiply your portfolio after this masterclass. Go to cryptocrewuniversity.com. This is going to be your ticket to freedom. It'll bring you to this page. This is the bull run. You sign up right here. Once you sign up right here, keep in mind, this is an early bird discount. Major early bird discount, and there's limited seats at this discount, and then prices are going to rise. You're eventually going to sign up to this. And if you wait, you're going to sign up at a lot higher price. Go to cryptocrewuniversity.com. The link is in the description. It will be a pinned comment. Sign up right now before prices increase. When you sign up right here, it will take you to this page. If you don't have my indicator bundle, which is minted millionaires, you better scoop this up real quick. This is at a major discount, but only limited seats. And then this is going to rise in price too. Sign up right here. If you already have it, like tons of you do, you can click this little red button down below and you'll be good. I'll see you on the inside. This is a game changer. Dominate this bear market, dominate this next bull run, and multiply your portfolio. My students are going to love this. And if you're not a student, this is your golden ticket. This is your special day. cryptocrewuniversity.com. I cannot wait to see you on the inside. Cannot wait. Let's get to this chart. This chart is really impressive. 5 times in Bitcoin's history, we've had this MACD cross. Once here, once here, once here. The last 3 times this has happened, Bitcoin has gone up on average about 300%. But then we factor in the first 2 times it happened. We went up 20,000% and 8,000%. This MACD cross has no false signals. We're on the 12-day chart, and you may wonder, well, why the 12-day chart? Well, if you go to the 1-week chart, there's false signals. If you go to the 5-day chart, there's more false signals. 3-day chart, tons of false signals. I wanted to find a time frame that had no false signals and incredibly powerful signals and show you the power of what Bitcoin is getting ready to do to send shockwaves through the industry. Usually we have these bear markets, right? And these bear markets will cover first the bear market of 2012, and then we'll cover the bear market of 2015. And I'm going to show you what's happened after this cross has occurred. And then I'm going to show you what's going to happen in 2022. But when we go back to 2012, you can clearly see that we are in the midst of this bear market, and we had our first MACD cross up when prices were roughly around $5. This is when we were still in the midst of the bear market, and back then I could guarantee everybody thought we were going to go lower. It happens in every single bear market. And those of you may remember 2015. 2015 was a long, extended bear market. It was a gruesome bear market. But again, right around this time, everybody thought we were going a lot lower. It's just the nature of bear markets. And then we had this MACD cross, which never has a false signal. And that signified the end. That signified, hey, our momentum is turning around. Our momentum is shifting to the upside. And after that cross, we went up 8,233%. Ridiculous. Look at this beautiful MACD cross. And it always happens in the bear market. It happens in a bear market when everyone thinks that it's going to get even worse. If you don't remember 2015, you probably do remember 2018. 2018 was no different. We were up at about 6,000, 7,000. We called for a 3-day death cross and a crash down. Once we crashed down, nobody wanted to believe we would crash down, but once they did, they all flipped their script and they said we were going a lot lower. And then we had this little MACD cross, nice little MACD cross, changed everything. That was our momentum shift. It happened right here in the market when everybody thought we would go a lot lower, and then we went up 230% real quick. And then you probably remember the COVID crash. Everyone thought we would go a lot lower then as well. But then we had this nice little MACD cross that has never had a false signal. And after this nice little MACD cross, we went up 666% real quick. I mean, real quick. This is a major momentum shift. Why do I tell you that? Because what we're having right now. This was literally the only false signal we had in this MACD. And by the way, it still went up. So it wasn't technically a false signal, but it didn't happen in the bear market. This was the only one that didn't happen in the bear market, but it still went up 33% after it crossed. And then it gave you a major warning sign because it crossed back down. So this is a powerful signal. And all I want for Christmas is this signal. I want to discuss, is it even possible to have this cross before Christmas? And if it had this cross, what would happen? What would it look like? Let's discuss each question here, but let's first reference how close these are to crossing. And we are a few days away, 3 days in particular. Yeah, about 3 days from now, we're going to print our next one here, and we may be at a cross after the 3 days. And if we are, we want to wait for that confirmation 12 days after that as a true confirmation of this cross. But make no mistake, we are getting very, very close, and we happen to be in the midst of a bear market, the same as the other 4 times in the bear market. And by the way, every time we were in a bear market before, when we had this cross, people thought it was going a lot lower. The majority of the people thought it was going a lot lower. And by the way, that's what they think now. So this is pretty major. This is pretty major. And if we do have this cross, I want it to come before Christmas. That's the only thing I want for Christmas is this cross, because it will send shockwaves through the industry, and people won't believe it. Bitcoin will start going up in price, and they still won't believe it. And then unfortunately, those people will buy back in when Bitcoin is around 40,000 or 50,000, but not you. Now, make no mistake, we're getting close. We've got to wait for that confirmation. But what I'm looking for Bitcoin is to build out a little bit of a stronger base and then have this cross, okay? What I'm really looking at is comparing not to 2018, but 2015. We had this cross kind of in the middle of this bear market. I would love that. That would be my ideal scenario, that we have this cross in the middle of our bear market, because this was a true technical bear market where we built an incredibly strong base, which is why we had such a large rally after that. Okay, I do not want it to be a short-lived one like in 2018 where it was not sustainable, and definitely like the 2021 was not a technical bear market. It was short-lived, so we cannot compare that. In my opinion, Bitcoin is acting more like 2015 than any other year we've ever done. Okay, it's not acting like 2020. It's not acting like 2018. It's not acting like the 2012 one. It's the 2015 one that's really accurate. I would love this to mark halfway through this bear market, and then I would love us to have several more months of people giving up and capitulating, and that's even better for us, even a stronger base, and then we explode maybe in Q1, Q2 next year, when everyone thinks we're going to have a devastating year. So I wanted to bring this to your attention. 12-day MACD cross is nothing to play with, never a false signal, always happens in a bear market and getting very, very close as we speak. I will keep you up to date, and I want to post a second video today, so hit that subscribe button. I'll see you in the second video. And to those of you who are our students, you're my student and you're saying, hey, Steve, you're launching this new 5-day masterclass. It should be free for students. First of all, nobody on planet Earth gives more free value to their students than me. That's a cold hard fact. Now, imagine you just bought an iPhone and then you see they're launching a computer and you're like, hey, I should get that computer for free because I bought this iPhone. It doesn't work like that. The computer and the iPhone are different things. They do different things. This masterclass is different than my current courses. They do different things. Make no mistake, this masterclass is a game changer, and it's exactly what you need right now. Whether you're a student or not, this is exactly what you need right now. It's my step-by-step plan, what I'm doing in this bear market right now to dominate. And what I plan to do in the next bull run, I'm preparing for it now with critical steps now. So go to cryptocrewuniversity.com. And by the way, when you sign up for this masterclass, it will take you to this page. This is the indicator bundle. A ton of you have it. It's minted a lot of millionaires. If you don't have it yet, scoop it up right now. It will change your life. It will change your life, and it's at a ridiculous discount. Scoop that up real quick, and you better sign up before the prices increase. I'm so excited about this masterclass. It's going to change so many lives. I cannot wait, and I cannot wait to change yours. Go to cryptocrewuniversity.com. I'll see you on the inside. Do you want to know when to buy and when to sell? Click this video right now.